Hello everybody, my name is Botlhe Mhaladi, all the way from Botswana in a beautiful small village of Botlhe. I'm 18 years of age. The reason why I came for the auditions here today is because I believe that I have what it takes to be the next Gemstone talent winner. I believe that not only will I represent other people out there, but I'll be representing not only Botswana, but the rest of Africa and the United States of America with the talent that I have. And we'll be able to motivate other kids out there like who look up to people and say like, you also can be able to do it. You also can be able to do it if you just believe and trust in yourself. Everything will be well. So please vote for me. Thank you. Viewers at home, hello and welcome to the first ever season premiere of the season 2 of Gemstone Talent Search. I'm your host, Botlhe Mhaladi. If you think you got the talents like dancing, singing, if you can act, if you can present, and of course, if you can model well, Gemstone is the right company for you to come and register with them. Like, auditions are held every Saturday at 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. in the afternoon at Gaborone main mall at the Crystal President Hotel. And if you believe what it takes to come and impress our panel of judges, then Gaborone is the place for you to be.